Hi ladies and gents, so this video we're going to go over the basics of logarithms, basically converting back and forth to exponential form and logarithmic form and evaluating logs. So take a look at a couple of examples here, and this is the main thing. So I usually try and let my students know this, and I just call it log BAP, log B-A-P. Right, so this in the form, log is going to have a number underneath. This is a subscript. And then the a is on the same level as the log. So log base b, right, of a equals p. So log BAP. So basically what that is, that's the log form. It's really a way to rewrite exponents in a different form to be able to solve for them. And it converts to this. This is your exponential form. This is the base of an exponent to the power equals your answer. So base power answer, just different forms of the same exact thing. All right, so the first thing is to be able to rewrite or to convert. So to rewrite this log base 14 of 196, notice the log and the 196 are on the same level, right, as the 2 as well. The 14 is just sunk below, that's the base. So if you look at this exponential form, the base to the power, right, base, and the p is on the right, so base to the power, 14 to the second power equals 196. So that's really how you're just going to rewrite that. So really the base that's down below, put that there. The right side is your power. That does go above here. And then that's going to equal your 196. So really that's what you're looking for. And of course, pick the appropriate answer from there. And you're going to see that that's option number D, or letter D. All right, so that's really all it is to rewriting. Just change the format. Right, like number 2, you've got your base, your power on the right, and then the answer. 8 squared equals 64. And it usually takes a little while for students to get this, which is why we're going to do 2 days of work on this before we progress further with logs. So let me look at a couple more. So that's the log form to exponentials. And of course down here we'll have to go backwards the other way. So still using that log BAP idea, right? The base, right, is here. Your answer is here. So we need log base 6. So there's log base 6. The power, your answer is right here. So base answer, and then the power is the power of 3. So it's going to be D for this one. So really, if you were to rewrite it, I'll do a little more clear here. So in the log form, you need a base. This base is going to be the base of the exponent, so log base 6. Your answer goes here next, which is going to be 216. Right, and then your answer for a log, I know it's a little weird, but the answer is the power of the original equation. So your answer is 3. Right, so that's log BAP, base answer power. 6 to the third power is 216. So you should be able to rewrite forwards and backwards, so that's how we get D for your answer. All right, so that's rewriting as well. Here, base answer power. So log base 11 of 121, right, is 2. That's going to be A for this one. So that's the second type, being able to go from exponential back to log form. And the last type is evaluating. So these you actually do want an answer for. So if you look at this, what I usually do is rewrite it into the exponential form, which is your, which you should be most comfortable with. So this is going to be 3 to some power we don't know. So I'll put a little question mark here. So 3 to the question mark equals your answer. So 3 to what power gives you 27? And not first, that's 3. 3 to the second's 9. 3 to the third is 27, so that's going to be B. So really, once you rewrite it, you'd have to guess and check or try in your calculator to get the appropriate power, which is your answer. All right, and I'll show you this one because this is a little weird with the 149th. But 7 to some power, right, equals 1 over 49. And you're probably saying, well, wait, I know it's got to be a 2 because 7 squared is 49, right? So it's got to be 2, A. But to create a fraction, if you remember back to powers, if you have a negative power, it drops it down to your denominator. So instead of putting a 2 here, that would give me regular 49. The negative 2 is going to give me 149. The negative would force your answer down to your denominator and create the fraction. All right, so use that going forward for this lesson and tomorrow. And you should be good with converting logs into exponentials and evaluating logs themselves. All right, thanks guys. Bye.